Hello everyone, welcome back to Galaxy Station. Today, I am going to update my Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G with the latest August 2025 security patch. In this video, I will share my experience about the update, why the updates are important, and a few precautions you should always take before updating any of your device. So this update is mainly about monthly security patch. The size of the update is very small. It will also can be varied depending on your region and carrier, but generally it's around 3 to 500 megabytes. And I am now downloading the update, and this process will take few minutes. Visually, you won't notice any UI changes because this is not a one UI upgrade. It's purely about system stability, bug fixes, and security improvements. Still, these updates are very important for protecting your device from potential threats and vulnerabilities. Some people often think, why should I install a small security patch? Well, here's why. Security patches close loopholes that hackers might exploit. These updates improve system reliability and fix hidden bugs. Sometimes they also optimize performances for better stability. So even though it doesn't bring any flashy new features, these updates protect your personal data and ensure your phones stay secure. Now, before you hit that install now button, here are some quick precautions. Backup all of your data using Samsung Cloud, Google Drive, or your PC. Make sure your phone has over 50% battery charge. Use Wi-Fi. Downloading over mobile data can cause interruptions. Check storage space. Ensure you have enough free storage for smooth installations, and be patient. Don't panic if the update takes longer than expected. Let the phone do its job. If the screen stays black, don't touch or tap any of the buttons. So yes, my advice, don't skip any security updates. They are just as important as big Android or One UI update. That's all for today. Have you updated your Galaxy S21 Ultra yet, or are you still waiting? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Galaxy Station for more Samsung and Android content. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.